Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Ms. Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, January 7th, 2020. Welcome back to school. Happy New Year. I missed you, and I can't wait to hear about your breaks. Some fun fact of the day is that January is named after the Roman god of doors, Janus, because this month is the door to the year. Janus, or Janus, represents all beginnings and possesses the ability to see all things, past and future. So there's my fun fact about January and where the word January comes from. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make this Tuesday. Please be seated. Some birthdays today. We have quite a few birthdays to go over because we missed a lot of birthdays over the break, but I think you guys had the best birthday present as in you are not in school on your birthday. So that could be your birthday present, but I also have a little treat for you in my office. So if your name is on here, please stand up. And they'll be recognized by your classmates, and I hope you have a very, very happy birthday over the break. And a special shout out to Carlos Khalil in 5th grade, Christopher Guerrero Laredo in 3rd grade, Zelini Hernandez Lee in kinder, Kinsey Reyes Mejia in 1st, and Crystal Luna in 5th. Have a happy, happy birthday today, and make sure you stop by my office for your birthday treat. If you're standing, please be seated. Today we're going to focus on rattlers being respectful and responsible. Today I will own my own learning. I know you had a nice long break, but today you have to jump back in and make sure you have your thinking caps on and that you are dedicated fully to learning. Also, today focus on idea 17. Transitions are swift, quiet, and orderly. I know that some of us may have forgotten how we act in the hallways, but here is your reminder for the day. Also, our vocabulary word of the day is modern. Modern means of or pertaining to present and recent time. So an example of this is they remodeled their old house to look more modern. Some synonyms, which means same or similar words, are contemporary and new. So our word of the day is modern. You should all have your brand new IDs today. Make sure you do not lose them. They are the special IDs. Today is also Tuesday, so please go to your second block for academic block and take time to look at your uniform. You should be in your full uniform. If you are missing a jacket, please check the lost and found. We have quite a few jackets. Some announcements for the week is you will be working on the TELPUS test during this first week, and you should have those all completed by Friday. We also have an ADA snow party. If you were here before break and all of this week, you are entered in and are able to go play in the snow on Friday. 4th and 3rd grade, you have exams for writing and math on Friday. We would like to make sure we hit our goal all week long of 97.5% ADA. So please be on time, please be dressed appropriately, and stay healthy. And you may say, Ms. Tripto, that is pretty hard to do, but staying healthy means just washing your hands after you use the bathroom, making sure you're using hand sanitizer, and that you're eating healthy and getting a good night's rest. You guys can do all of those things. Also, check for the weather. So, if it's raining, make sure that you wear the appropriate clothes, and if it's going to be extra chilly in the morning, that you're dressing for that as well. Our health fact of the day is that hydration is good for complexion. So that means water is good for your skin. And you guys don't have to worry about wrinkles, but it actually helps your skin stay hydrated and hold on to that water so that your skin does not wrinkle. Makes sense. Our attendance challenges, we are having another challenge this Friday, and we also have the big attendance party on Friday for the snow party for those of you who are here before break and this whole week. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready, and Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. And Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday, and remember that choice is all yours. I'm so excited to welcome you all back and hear about your breaks and to get back into learning. Also, there's a picture of Bear in a sweater. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students that are out and then message the ADA GroupMe.